Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Pet Simulator, Triple Egg Pet Simulator. I did this in my other video, but you never know. Ooh, this is not Pet Simulator. What is this? What is it? This game is blue. Coins 900? What is this? This is so weird. Oh my god, you can't even go full screen. This is so weird. Wow, and you buy your pets. This is very weird. This is very weird. Okay, this is really weird. Okay, I'm gonna leave the game. That was weird. So I'm gonna play some Fortnite Simulator, and in this game I have aimbot. In this game, I don't have aimbot necessarily, but I'm good at sniping. You can already hear it sounds. We were landing, boys. And that's pleasant. Even though. Whee! What's on my house? Is that a gun? A storm? No, I don't want to jump down. What happens if I die? Can you go in the house? Because I know someone was here. Ooh, llama. Oh! Oh! I'm just kidding. It's not even that special. It's just one kill. I don't want to open this. This is my first video on this BTW. This is what I hate about this game. I mean, I like it, but I just hate that you have to like all the time. It just has a whole bunch of advertisements. Not advertisements, whatever. It just has stuff. Sniper up here. I'm good at snipers. Good at snipers. You'll see I'm really good at snipers. A 7.
Put on the light and watch her for a little while.
Starting that with my mom. Who that? Is that someone? No. Later on, you'll see that I'm a boss at this game. But at Fortnite, I'm okay. Regular Fortnite. I mean, I play on Switch. I have the Pro Combat controller, and I hook it up to my TV. And the Pro Combat controller is wireless. Shut your mouth, Raina. Raina! Shush! Sorry, I'm talking to my dog. Sorry if you hear any noises. Go for the no scope? No. Come on, kill now, boy. No scope. There you go. That was not really close. Okay, that was kind of a no scope. I mean, I can't say that I have aimbot. Because look, I just missed that, but I hit one of these air shots. I'm not saying they're hard, but those are the guys I just killed, I think. What? What? Oh, she's the grappler. There, I knew I was gonna win. Sorry if you hear any background music. It's not from my living room. If I would have zoomed in, I probably would have hit that. But I almost fell off. That's far away. I wish they added, like, if you could, like, shoot people far away, it says that you shot them far away. So, like, if I shoot someone from, like, the edge of the map, like, right there, like, in the chat, in the kill feed, I wish it would, like, say that you killed someone. I'm good at this game. There's someone over there. So it's eliminations. This guy's sitting still. Bye bye. Oh, he jumped down. Why would I even look away for that? How did I even hit that? It's like once in a while I have aimbot, once in a while I don't. Against this guy right now, I have aimbot. Oh my god, I can't move my mouse. That hit. Like, yeah, I don't have aimbot. Spammer. This guy's bigger than me. This guy is bigger than me. Oh, he's not. He has 65 kills. It's a new Havoc skin. 200k. Oh, KOS. I thought it said KOs. I usually land on top of that, so I get a better sniping thing. I wish it's like a regular 100-player PvP where you can't respawn. I land up here all the time. That's the guy that killed me earlier. I better kill him. Tried to go for a no-scope. Dude. Oh, no. Oh my god, I'm trash. You won't. No. Yeah, you can't. This guy never stands still. Oh, that hurt my knuckle, but I don't care. Whew. And you forget redeploying gliders are still in the game. That's how I would act. If it's... Because sometimes I forgot redeploying gliders are not in the game anymore. And what is this? Is this a rocket launcher? Oh, I never got this. What? What? I think these people have aimbot. Kill the guy with my deagle. That's it, I'm playing some tunes. Sick. It's gonna be best mates, I think. Oh yeah. Come on. Dance with me. Team. Team. Oh my god, I'm not team. Ooh. I thought I was so good, but I'm so trash. Jeez, I'm so trash. Oh wait, I was on using a hand cannon. It's either my weapons, or I'm just actually bad at the game. Why am I girl? Why am I girl? I'm Commando. I'm pretty sure this is Commando. It doesn't even look like it, but... Oh my god. Dude. No, he's in the game. My man can't aim. Neither can I, but... Let me just open this. 6 a minigun? I got a minigun and shoot if you kill me one? That's crazy. I need a better weapon. I might learn racetrack this game. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and turn all those notifications for free V-Bucks. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Even though I did that in a couple of videos ago, I'm just not gonna do that. It was just a meme. This guy hit the scar. At least I hit him. That's all I care about. 18, this game is doo-doo. This game is doo-doo. This game is trash. Game doo-doo. Oh, yes, I can go in the mountain. I can snipe everybody. My ankle hurts. Ooh, looks like there's a lot of dead meat. Free. Let's get no scope. Or the game do. What? You see that lag? What? Nope, this game doo-doo. I'm closing it. Nope, this game doo-doo. This game's actual doo-doo. I should play something else with Roblox. I mean, look, I have Epic Games, but no, it's really laggy. How about this? 32 subscribers, and I'll play Fortnite. Even though it's laggy. 32 or 52 subscribers, I'll start playing Fortnite. Also leave a like. Should I play a Gario? All those tryhards out there playing. So much tryhards on this game. Still on level 1. See this game doo-doo. Yes, this game doo-doo. Watch me get die. I'm gonna die quick. Spit on me, you won't. So I died. You would've died, Luke. Luke, you won't. So I died. I like splitting into 2. But then all of a sudden I get eaten. Here, come at me. You're gonna split. I didn't mean you were gonna split. I said come at me. You're gonna split. Unless he splitted. Smart. Battle Royale teams. I like experimental.